In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Etsy. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting, connecting your Wix website to your Etsy shop can be a game changer, simplifying your operations and offering your customers a seamless shopping experience. Let's dive right in and get started with this integration. First, head over to your Wix dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your Wix site, and it's where we'll begin our journey today. Once you're there, we're going to navigate to the Apps section. In your dashboard, you should spot an option labeled Apps. Click on this to progress to the app market. This market is a treasure trove of tools and integrations that can help enhance your website's functionality. Next, type Etsy Integration by Webcol into the search bar. This app is specifically designed to link your Etsy shop with your Wix site, allowing for smooth data transfer and management between the two platforms. Once you've located the app, it's time to install it. Adding this app to your Wix site is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to complete the installation. Keep in mind, though, that depending on your current Wix plan, you might need to upgrade to continue. Ensure you have either the Wix Stores plan or a premium plan, as this is typically required for third-party app integrations like this one. Once the app is successfully installed, it's time to connect it to your Etsy seller account. This is a crucial step that will enable the app to sync information from your Etsy store, such as product listings and order details, directly to your Wix site. Begin this process by heading into the app settings. You should find an option to connect or link your Etsy account. During this setup, you will be prompted to grant permission, which authorizes the app to access your Etsy account. This step is necessary to facilitate the flow of data between Etsy and your Wix store. And that's it. With these steps, your Wix site and Etsy shop are now connected, allowing you to manage your online presence more effectively. Remember, this integration is designed to streamline your sales process by keeping your product listings and orders in sync. It can save you a lot of time and effort, which can be better spent on growing your business. Keep an eye on the app's functionality and don't hesitate to explore additional integrations available in the Wix app market to further enhance your site's capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your online store. Until next time, happy selling!